Hey there! Last video we looked at basic formulas and we brushed on this correct or not correct cell. So if the formula is correct, you get a yes here. If the formula is not correct or is empty, we'll have a no. What I want to talk about today on this video is about conditional formatting. So what does it mean? I want to change the background to have a green background when it's a yes and a red background when it's a no. To select or to change anything in Excel spreadsheets, any cell, to manipulate any cell, you have to select it. So I'm selecting now using the control key, pressing on the control key down, and then selecting all my cells. I have selected all the green cells. Now I'm using the conditional formatting and creating a new rule. My rule, I have selected all my cells. So the rule today for this one here is if the cell if the cell is equal to yes, if the cell is equal or the cell value is equal to yes, I will change the color to green, background color to bright green. Okay, bright green, and then let's give it a white font. So done. Can you see? If it's yes, bright green and white font. If it's no, I keep the same colors here. I have the same cells. If it's a no, I want to change the background to red, bright red, and white font, white text color. So and then click done. So you can see now I have changed the background colors using conditional formatting. I want to do one more thing. I want to change the background here depending on the amount or on the percentage. Okay, so what I will do is I have my cell selected. I have my first rule. So let's say I want to change and create a new rule. So I have selected my cell, and then I'm selecting the highlight cells with the cell value. If it's equal or greater than 0, I will have greater than 0%. I will keep the color as red, bright red. I'll put the color as bright red and white font and click done. So now from 0 upward I have this rule now. So if I come and change, and let me edit this one not to keep creating rules. So now if I have my cell value greater than or equal to 20%, I want to make a little change. So if it's equal or greater than or equal to 20%, I will change the color into a little less red. So I'll go the orangey now, and I'll keep the font as white, and then click done. So now you can see it's changed to orange. So I can do the same and then just duplicate this, come and edit here. Now if it's greater than or equal to 30% this time, let's do 0.3 and change the color once more and have a brighter orange, and maybe change the color now to black, the font color to black, and click done. And now you can see it's changing to black. So now do the same, and I have this time if it's greater than or equal to 50%, I will start going into the green. I'll start going into the green. Okay, I'll go here. So now and one more time duplicate and then edit. These are my rules, yeah. So now if I am 77%, 70%, 60%, if I go 60%, I will go little darker green. Okay, little darker green, and keep the font black. Then duplicate the rule again and duplicate the rule and then edit it. Now this time I'll change to 80% and I'll make it a little darker green now, but this time I'll change the color to white and click done. One last time I duplicate again my rule, so I don't have to recreate the rule every time. So now if I go to 100%, if I go to 100%, I will change my color into green and make sure the background color is white, okay, the font color is white, and then click done. So now how do we check that? So now I'm gonna cut my formula and replace it with manual value. I'm gonna enter my values manually now just to check, to test. So 100%, as you can see, is green. So if I did now 80%, it should change color to a little less brighter green. If I did 60%, it will change it to a little less color. Can you see now? And so on. So now I have tested my cell, it works fine. And if I change my formula back again, if I paste my formula back again, I'll go back to my normal. You see how easy it is, okay? So this is what I'm trying to show you guys, how easy it is. Just keep an open mind and keep practicing, okay? So have these changes made, and then we talk about functions in our next video. You take care for now, and I'll see you in our next video.